I'm standing right here at one of the most legendary tracks in India. What track am I talking about? Well, obviously the race track, the Madras Motorsports Racetrack, the MMRC racetrack. We're here for the 5th round of the Volkswagen Polo Cup, and it has got really exciting because in his rookie season, a Goan named Mr. Oct11 has shocked all the big guns, all the big wigs, and he's right up there. He is in fact 10 points away from leader Rahil Nurani. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be following Oct11, Rahil Nurani, and one such championship contender called Vishnu Prasad, who has got a lot of penalties of late. So what's going to happen in this round might just determine the championship leader, the championship winner, because there is still one more round to go after this, and that's going to be happening at the Budh racetrack in New Delhi. So we're going to be following this race. We're going to be showing you this race for all our Prudent media viewers exclusively. We have this journey for you all of Oct11 and every single other racer, even Donovan Vaz over here at the MMRC racetrack for the 5th round of the Volkswagen Polo Cup. Check it out.
The drivers go through a full-fledged race weekend routine with qualifying sessions on Saturday and the final races on Sunday. This time around for the 5th round of the Polo Cup, Oshan Kotadia stole pole position, clocking a time of 2 minutes, 3 seconds, 0.427 milliseconds. Followed by Vishnu Prasad with the best lap time of 2 minutes, 3 seconds, 0.436 milliseconds. Rahil Nurani and guest driver Gaurav Dalal were placed 3rd and 4th, completing the 2nd row of the grid. However, championship contender Vishnu Prasad, who qualified 2nd just 0.009 seconds from Oshan, would have to start in 12th position due to a 10-place penalty he received from the last round for overtaking under yellow flags. The qualifying grid for race 1 is as follows: Oshan Kotadia followed by Rahil Nurani, guest driver Gaurav Dalal, Munjal Savla, and Goa's Oct11 coming in at number 5th, hence starting from the 3rd row on the grid. The other Goan driver Donovan Vaz qualified in 13th and by far had quite a disappointing qualifying session, but would hope to make up some places in the races. Owner of arguably one of India's best karting tracks, Christopher Moraes, was at Sri Perumbudur and made his way for the race weekend. We caught up with Christopher to get a know-how of the track and surroundings.
You own one of the only most spec tracks in Goa. What is this track like? You know, you're almost like a track expert. So you can give us a first-hand view of what this track is like. How does it behave, and what kind of a track is in terms of speed, overtaking, and turns and corners and the straights?
Well, I'm not an expert on the track, but see, my track is a go-karting track. This is built specifically with cars in mind. You can't run go-karts here, I mean, per se. But I've been around the track for a couple of laps today and yesterday, and I must say that it is a very technically challenging track. It's not all about top speed, or just because you have the fastest car or the most powerful car here, that doesn't mean you're going to win. The setup is much more important than just outright power. So it's a very impressive track. It is also, as far as what all has happened at this track, I mean that the track can speak for itself. Every race that's worth talking about has happened over here. This is like the birthplace. So yeah.
Oct11 and co changed their setup for the qualifying, which cost them some valuable time. This had resulted in Oct11 qualifying in 5th. So what went wrong?
Day 1 went well. Our timings were good. For the qualifying, we tried up with a different setup, which didn't work out. But it's good because we learned something. So definitely for the race, we'll be pushing much harder, and the setup will be come back to what we were running before. We'll do it. Let's see how it goes.
At this stage where you're very close to the championship leaders, trying out something different in qualifying, does that look too risky? Would that be a risky move that you all played out, or you're happy that you tried out the settings and it did not work out?
When it comes to the championship standing, we are very close. Trying some different setup is not very good. But this thing is very crucial because our temperatures are not like before how it should be. It's very hot. Sometimes it rains. So we have to try something different all the time. Definitely didn't work this time, but let's see. It worked all the time, but this time was not that good.
Oct11 says his focus has been to be in the top 3 from day 1. This was the goal then, and so it is now. It is safe to say that it is this kind of a simple focus and philosophy that has led Oct11 to where he stands in the Polo Cup today.
Definitely from day 1 I was planning to come on top 3. That is the plan that time also and will be now also. Let's see. Just hope my setup works tomorrow. But definitely push and be in top 3 is my thing to do. The main hard work to do now.
So then it's the race day. All cars have lined up and will be released on track for the formation lap. And then of course the all-important first race of round 5. A few last-minute checks of tyre pressure and setup go in. Rayomand Banerjee is the driver coach and monitors every single driver in the pit shop. Rayomand is seen here giving a few last-minute instructions to the drivers. This is Ronnie Weschelberger. Ronnie too is a driver coach who hails from Germany. These are crucial instructions that the drivers receive before the start of the race. Track temperatures, liner positions, etc.
Now this is the information that I have been given and this is what we follow for all classes.
But it's not right. I mean, if somebody's here and he's here.
And what I would suggest is when you come on the grid just now, adjust yourself accordingly so and see where you can see the light. Okay, but one wheel has to be in the cockpit. Sideways. Okay? Any confusion on this?
Audumbar Hede gets set to dive into his cockpit to race. This is it. A few